Good news, everyone! Tonight is movie night.
I want to watch the space adventure movie.
No way! The princess movie is much better.
How about we all choose together as a family?
Anna, can you help me carry the popcorn bowls?
Yes, Mom, I can carry the big one.
I'll bring the drinks. I'm very strong.
Let me make sure everything is working perfectly tonight.
Thank you, dear. The kids are so excited. This is going to be the best night ever.
I have the best spot on my favorite pillow.
Everyone is here together. This is so special.
That's strange. The screen just went dark.
Daddy, what's happening? Why is the TV broken?
Let me try the power button again. Sometimes it just needs a moment. That's strange. The power light isn't even coming on.
Maybe we should check if the outlet is working. Maybe we can just watch something else on your phone.
Look what you did. All our popcorn.
Oh no, I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
Wait, is that the dog? How did he get in here?
The back door must have been open.
Come back here. Those are our snacks.
Oh no, the power's going out too.
Everyone stay calm. We have flashlights in the hall.
I don't like this. It's getting too dark.
This is the worst movie night ever.
It's okay to feel frustrated, but we can handle this.
We just need to think of another way to have fun.
I wanted this to be special. Now everything is ruined.
Oh, sweetie, come here. It's going to be okay.
I have an idea. What if we make our own movie?
What do you mean, Daddy? How does that work?
That sounds awesome. We can use flashlights.
Everyone stay where you are. Don't move in the dark. I'm scared. It's so dark.
What should we do now? Should we just go to bed?
No, we can't give up. We were having fun.
Jack is right. We can still have fun together.
Let's make our own movie. We can use flashlights and blankets.
We can act out stories. That sounds like fun.
This will be even better because we're doing it together.
I know we have flashlights in the hall closet. I'll find them.
I'll help you, Dad. I know where the batteries are.
Found them. Here, everyone take a flashlight.
Yay! We have light again. This is so exciting.
Now we can really have our movie night.
Let's make a blanket fort. That will be our movie screen.
I'll hold this corner. Anna, you hold that side.
This is going to be the coolest movie theater ever.
Once upon a time, in a land far away.
That's my story. Watch what happens next. Once there was a princess who lived in a beautiful castle. She had a magic key that could open any door.
That's wonderful, Anna. You're such a good storyteller.
Now it's my turn. This is a story about a brave space explorer. He flies through the stars and fights alien monsters.
Wow, that was amazing. You have such a big imagination.
Let's all do a story together. Everyone add something.
Once there was a family who loved each other very much.
And they went on adventures together every single night. This is better than a real movie. This is the best night ever.
I don't want it to end. Can we do this every week?
Our family is the best team in the whole world.
I love you all so much. This is perfect.
Let's clean up together like we did everything else tonight.
I don't want to take it down. It's so cool.
Don't worry, we can build it again next week.
What was your favorite part of tonight?
I liked making the stories together. That was the best.
I learned that our family can handle anything together.
Can we do this every week? Please, please, please?
From now on, this will be our imagination movie night.
Every problem has a solution when we work together.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. This was the best night ever.
Thanks for not giving up when things went wrong.
Thank you too, kids. You made this so special.
Time for bed, little ones. You have big dreams to have.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I love you so much.
Good night. Same time next week. Promise?
I love you so much. Our family is amazing.
I was worried at first, but this turned out perfect.
The best moments aren't the perfect ones. They're the ones we share.
Look at all these green vines. Mom, Dad, come quick. Mom, Dad, come quick. You have to see this.
What did you find, Anna?
It's a gate. A secret gate.
Let's all look together. Oh my, look at this place.
Look at all these beautiful flowers. Pink ones and yellow ones.
This garden is so old.
These flowers smell so sweet, like candy.
Wait, come back, little butterfly. I just want to say hi.
Look at this old apple tree. It must be 100 years old.
Look at this path. It's covered in so many weeds.
The fence is broken in 2 places. We have lots of work to do.
When we fix it, we can have picnics here every day.
And we can plant vegetables and fruit and run through the flowers.
We can do this together. Let's start tomorrow.
One, 2, 3. There are so many weeds. Too many to count.
The wood is all rotten here. The fence needs fixing before anything else.
These flowers are all dry and brown. They were so pretty before.
This is really hard work. My arms are already tired.
Maybe we can't do it after all. It's too much. I wanted to play in the garden and plant pretty flowers.
We don't have to do everything today. Let's start with one small area.
I'll fix the fence. Who helps Sophia with planting flowers?
I need the hammer and nails. The fence won't fix itself.
These flowers need nice soil and sunshine to grow big and beautiful. Now we plant these flowers deep. Cover the roots with nice soft soil.
I can water the flowers now. I know how to do it properly.
I'll water the big ones, you water the small ones.
The water makes the flowers grow. Look, they're drinking the water.
We're helping. The garden is getting better because of us.
Weeds are coming out. Look how many we've pulled so far.
Hello, everyone. What are you all doing here? Oh my, what a beautiful garden.
Yes, please help us plant. More hands make light work in the garden.
Look, a butterfly chose me. It landed on my hand and it won't leave. Let's call it our happy place. This is our secret garden now forever.
We will come here every day and take care of our beautiful garden together.
I love our secret garden. This is the best day ever.
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.